friends, and happy Vlogmas Day 21. Today is Tuesday, December 21st, and we have an action-packed day today. I start off with a bazillion meetings during the day, but I do get a nice lunch break, and we'll see where that takes us later. And then similarly, we have a ton of fun plans for this evening that you guys get to come along with. So let's start the day and get to work. On our way to lunch. Had a lovely time at lunch with KJ and his family at the Galley Hatch. I had to sneak to the car early to start my next meeting and then finish it up at home. And then I have another afternoon of meetings. But as I mentioned yesterday, we do have some fun plans tonight to go see the new Spider-Man movie with some of KJ's friends. And then we will be probably tuckered out, but a lot of fun stuff still ahead. And of course, dinner with his friends. So another restaurant. I'm really excited to get these meetings done with so I can have a fun evening with fun friends. So as a common theme throughout this vlog, a night of full fun, a night of getting back late, and that means me falling asleep super early. But let's do a quick recap before we move on to the next vlog and just go over everything we did yesterday. We had a great lunch at the Galley Hatch with KJ's family, and then went back to work for many more meetings. And then the real fun began because a bunch of KJ's friends and I went to an escape room. And it's been a long time since I've done an escape room, and this guy had never done one.
No, I did pretty good.
Did you like the theme?
Yeah.
We did a Pharaoh tomb theme.
I think I got Rookie of the Year. You know.
You did really great.
I knew about the shapes on the little candle.
The last
holders.
piece almost. That was second to last.
I knew about that there would be black light stuff in the other room. Went back to get that.
You did the jump scare for us.
I was the one who figured out the pattern with the rope pulling thing because I read it and I was like,
how scared were you though for the jump scare?
Not really. Like
it scared the jeepers out of me.
I had to grab it out of its mouth, and then the smoke
hands.
came up.
It was
in its mouth. Oh, maybe. Well, it was on his chest.
Yeah, right next to his mouth. He was scary.
And then the mouth blew out a bunch of black smoke. And
so that was a lot of fun. And we did
Ash
escape.
in my face, stained on my clothes.
Yeah, for sure. All explorers get that. It's fine.
Yeah.
But
they should have cast me in Uncharted instead of Tom Holland.
You should have auditioned.
Yeah.
They don't really exist yet.
No.
But you could have been in the running. But we did escape with 10 minutes-ish. 10 minutes? 8 minutes left.
Yeah.
We used all three of our hints. We're not the brightest of the bunch.
We got out.
But we got out. And we used our hints towards the beginning just because
look, I was a
too much
rookie,
going on.
and no one else had done more than like 2 escape rooms. So it's
I
not
never
like
escaped from one.
Yeah,
I've done 2 and never escaped.
The people who are like, let's try to like speed run it without hints. Like, we're not those people yet.
We're not those people.
You've never gotten out of an escape room until then?
But this is the most people I've ever had in an escape room either.
Okay.
So 5 people is like a good number to have enough people doing each piece.
Right.
Overall, love the escape room. It's in downtown Portsmouth if you want to check it out. And they had other ones, different levels too. He was really nice. Larry, shout out to Larry if you're watching. And the game master was nice too, but they didn't tell us his name. You know, they protect their identities. No.
Okay.
Larry was at the front desk. But after that, we went out to dinner. We just grabbed a meal at Longhorn, which I showed the menu. And then once the food came, we were in a rush to get to the movie. So we just sort of hightailed it out of there. And then we went over to Regal to see Spider-Man No Way Home. No spoilers here, but we will say it was great. There was much more Spider-Man lore. I'd ask questions.
Yeah,
So you probably didn't. You probably knew more than I did about what was happening.
I was surprised. I was honestly surprised how little she knew.
It's been a long time since I've seen the other Spider-Man movies. So
were you like she had to ask me which movies the villains were from, and I was like,
yeah, I didn't know. Which, if you guys have seen the preview, you already know a little bit about that, so nothing too crazy there. Yeah. And then I also wanted to say that you definitely have to stay for the things that come after the movie, those things that Marvel always does. Yeah. Worth staying for. I'm sure they'll hit the internet soon, but you definitely want to see that right off the bat because it was.
We should say. Good. I feel like we should say mild spoilers, like nothing too crazy, but like
to them right now.
Well, just I'm not. We're not nothing too crazy, but we're gonna reveal what we think, and like we said, the thing with the villains, you know. So
but that was in the trailer.
Okay.
But here's a spoiler for. I've done a couple movie reviews throughout Vlogmases. I cried 1 billion times. That's all you need to know. Yeah. That's how you know it's a good sad movie. I cried at some dumb stuff, but overall, characters you know and love in there, and Tom Holland and Zendaya did great.
Yeah, it was a lot.
Doctor Strange did great.
Yeah, he was okay.
And then some new people I didn't know the names of.
Should I say what I think of it now? Like the full, like, because I have a score ready.
Okay, go ahead with your score. I'll think of mine.
Okay, my score is like 9 out of 10 if there's another Tom Holland Spider-Man movie.
You're afraid they're cutting him out for good.
I don't know. I read a bunch of different things. You told me that you think that like this.
There's rumors that it wasn't. Either way, yeah.
He's not going to be in it anymore.
Right.
And then another. Like, my friends were like, no, he's going to be in it. Like, YouTube channels saying, no, there's going to be another Tom Holland Spider-Man movie. Like, the producer was like, if I have my way, he's going to be in it. So, like, I don't know. If this is it for Tom Holland as Spider-Man in the MCU, then 6 out of 10.
Okay. So that's...
Maybe less.
So you'd change it in a few years once...
If he is in it, if there's going to be another Spider-Man movie, 9 out of 10.
Okay.
I won't say why, because I don't want to spoil it.
No spoilers.
But, yeah.
I would give it... Usually when movies cry, I rate them pretty low. But I would give it, there was a lot going on, and I think they did a good job about having a lot going on, but there was still too much going on. Yeah. It wasn't like full loops for everything, so I'm going to give it an 8.7. Okay. I don't remember the other two Spider-Man, but I think I like the other two Tom Holland Spider-Mans better than this one.
I definitely liked Far From Home better.
Yeah.
Which I don't know if that's a popular opinion or not, but yeah, I liked Far From Home better. I think Far From Home won. Homecoming was pretty good.
It's an intro movie,
I guess I probably did like Homecoming better.
So this one's your third on your list.
I guess so, which is kind of sad to say.
Yeah,
because there was a lot of cool stuff I liked about it, but it just like...
The full story wasn't there.
Yeah, like, minor spoiler, it just kind of left a bad taste in my mouth a little bit at the end. I can see that. So if any of you have seen it, leave a comment down below just so you can give your number rating. Or if you're going to see it, definitely come back and rate. And if you haven't seen the other Spider-Mans, they're much easier to find streaming now. So definitely start with the first Tom Holland one and get started on the trajectory of Tom Holland as Spider-Man because it is worth it. Overall, a really fun evening and to Vlogmas Day 21. We hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up because it is free and it helps me out a lot. And be sure to subscribe because we have a very exciting thing happening tomorrow, for Vlogmas Day 22. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But I didn't know what you were talking about at first.
It's literally your thing.
I know.
Okay, so stay tuned for tomorrow so you can see what we're up to. But thanks again so much for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.